Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
How are you doing today?
We are good.
Okay, it's better than yesterday. Remember we had a discussion about gases exchange yesterday.
Yes.
You still remember the respiration that we did last time, right?
Yes.
So yes, no, it's more like it's a continuation of this. So now I want us to know the difference between breathing, gas exchange, and cellular respiration, together with the requirements that are efficient for gases exchange, right? Okay, cool. So at the end of this lesson, I want us to differentiate between breathing, gas exchange, and cellular respiration. I want us to be able to describe the requirements for efficient gas exchange, and then I want us to work together collaboratively to explore and explain the concepts, right? So why do we breathe faster when we exercise? Yes.
We breathe faster when we exercise because of now our muscles need energy, and in order for them to get that energy, oxygen is required because of our body during that time it's undergoing cellular respiration, meaning there's more production of carbon dioxide, and our body does not need carbon dioxide.
Oh, perfect. Does anybody want to help? What you say is true, but how do you understand it? Is it okay? Do you feel like it's the correct explanation?
Yes.
We'll discuss it more in detail when we move. So this is an activity I want us to do. What do you think happens to the air once it enters our body? Yes.
I think when air enters our body, it goes through our lungs, then to the heart, then to the parts of the body that require the air that is being taken, which is oxygen.
Oh, that's marvelous. This is supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Now here's what happens. Now this leads us to the three processes that we've spoken about. Breathing. This is the movement of air in and out of the body. The movement of air in being oxygen and out being carbon dioxide. Then the gas exchange. Now this is a diffusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide in alveoli and capillaries. We're going to discuss more on the alveoli and capillaries because I think these are the organs you're not familiar with as yet. And then on cellular respiration, this is where now energy release in the mitochondria. You remember when you guys did cellular respiration in the second term?
Yes.
Okay, right. So now,
So I would like to ask a question. Like,
Yes.
what do you mean by diffusion?
what do you mean by diffusion?
Yes.
Now, this is the movement of substances in the body from a higher concentration to a lower concentration in the body. Okay, so now I want us to do this activity quite quickly, right? I want the three of you to have a 1 minute discussion on these surface areas, and then you guys can explain what is required for us to continue with this. Do we start?
I think the transport system. Yes, it's for transport system. It's where the gases are being allowed to be transported in and out. Carbon dioxide being transported out, oxygen being transported in.
It gives the gases more space so that they can be able to diffuse more easily and quickly.
So what do we have? What do we have for today?
As I took transport system.
Transport system. Tell us about it.
The transport system, as it explains itself, is a transport. It's a system that transports some substances in the body. So the oxygen that is being taken is being transported through all the parts of the body by means of the blood vessels and capillaries. And also carbon dioxide is being transported out of the body by means of the blood vessels and capillaries.
Oh, okay, perfect. Yes.
I would choose thin surface.
Thin surface.
Because it minimizes the diffusion distance for gases, allowing for a faster rate of diffusion. Like gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide can only cross the membrane quickly if the distance they need to travel is very short, making thin, often single cell thick membrane essential for rapid gas transfer.
Okay, but yeah.
I chose the large surface area because of it gives us more space for the oxygens and
Mhm.
carbon dioxide to be able to diffuse much more quickly and easier.
Oh, okay, perfect. There we have it. You guys understand. There's more. Right. So what we have been doing, breathing, gas exchange, and cellular respiration, which are all three, but they are linked processes. It's more like they all work together to perform the same function. The second one being the efficient gases exchange requires 6 key conditions. It's the one we've been discussing that you guys had a discussion about, including the surface area, the thin walls, and ventilation. Right. So now for our assessment for today, which structure provides a large surface area for gases exchange? What do you think it is? Yes.
Alveoli.
Alveoli. Oh, okay. So now, what is the difference between breathing and gas exchange? What do you think is the difference between the two? You know when we breathe, we exchange gases as well, but now, what is the difference between breathing and gas exchange? Yes.
So difference between breathing and gas exchange, I'd say that breathing is a mechanical process and gases exchange is a chemical process.
Which is true.
Yeah.
Breathing is when you take in, can you breathe in? Breathe out? Now that's breathing. The inhalation of oxygen and exhalation of carbon dioxide. And then gas exchange is the mechanical process that includes your alveoli, your capillaries, and everything, right?
Okay.
Yes, you may have good